Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. First of all, my camera is dying. I am literally starting a video with the dying camera because I have faith and also I'm very dumb. It's a great combination. Also, I'm sitting on my bed. I literally just got back from shopping a little bit. I had to get some things, got my mom a few things, so I wanted to just sit down and show you guys. Like, I have no lighting going on right now. My camera's dying. Like, I just, like, this is just me right now. So I hope you guys do like this video. Really impromptu haul, super random, but we have amazing things. Like, I'm talking amazing things. The Dollar Tree, my homeland, the mothership, like all the things, it's fine. Also, Marshall's was killing it today, so let's get into it. It's a lot of like beauty, makeup, random stuff, no clothes, so let's dive on in. Alright, so I know a lot of you guys are obsessed with the Dollar Tree just like me. I also have a Dollar Tree Finds Instagram, which has like almost double the amount of followers I have on my normal Instagram, which is like depressing, like very depressing, but also very funny. So follow both of those. They will always be down below for you. I'll start with the Dollar Tree stuff just because I know you guys love that so much, just like I do. So also, I took so many pictures from shopping today and posted them onto my Dollar Tree Instagram, so check it out if you want to see like what they have right now for like spring, Easter, all that kind of stuff. It will be down below on my Instagram. You know what I mean. Okay. The first thing I got was this little plush, it says, and it's literally just a little baby duck. And you might be like, Brooke, you are 19 going on 20 in a few months. What's the deal? Literally, I bought this because my godson is almost 2 and I think he would really just like this. I'm gonna make him like a cute little Easter basket kind of thing, and I think this would be super cute in there. And I don't know, I love him so much, and I saw this and I was like, that's for my little buddy. So I got that for him. I also got some nail polish remover, which is so boring. It's from the brand Swan, in case if anyone's like a nail polish remover connoisseur. There you go. And then this is the, we don't like that, Dollar Tree. What are you trying to do? Like putting weird things on the bottom. I have to like wash that off immediately, but this is the coconut shea butter scented body wash. It's from, I don't know what brand, honestly. Maybe I said it already. Who knows? But it's this one. It's pretty big. It has 18 ounces. I'm just gonna put that back in the bag. It honestly didn't smell too bad. Some of them, like today, I posted about this on the Instagram as well. They just weren't smelling good, and I was just not about that life. So that was the best smelling one in my opinion. I also got some more extra polar ice gum. This is my all-time favorite gum. I love it. I just got it because I saw it there and I was like, I just ran out today. Perfect timing. These are the collagen makeup cleansing wipes. They come with 30. They're from the Global Beauty Care line, and these are for my mom. She honestly doesn't really ever wear too much makeup, so this is the perfect thing for her because she's not like doused in, I don't know, like eyeliner, mascara, eyelash glue, and all that stuff. So this is perfect if you don't wear a lot of makeup. I thought the pink one was cute, so I got these for her. So kind of like the main reason I went to the Dollar Tree was for a bunch of fake flowers, because I'm gonna be making my parents, or like more like my mom, but I mean it's my dad's house too. I'm gonna be making them like a floral wreath to put on this little decor piece that we kind of change with every season, and I just thought it would be fun to try. I've never tried anything like this before. I'm not following a video. I'm literally just, I have a hot glue gun and I bought this and I'm gonna try something. So we'll see if it works. But yeah, I got different flowers. These are hydrangeas. I don't really know if this is even interesting to show you, but I got those pink ones. These ones are carnations, some nice yellow ones. These are like very spring themed for the wreath I'm making. These are petunias. I don't know flowers at all. Like honestly, no clue. I have to read everything. Dogwood. These kind of look like a Japanese cherry blossom almost. And you might be like, no, they don't at all. And I'll be like, oh, my bad. Because I don't know what flowers look like, I swear. These ones were really pretty. I think they'll bring a lot of good color. These were hyacinth, maybe? I honestly don't even know. And then lastly, we have pansies. And the last thing I got was just this floral foam situation. I can see a halo, 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 halo. Ooh. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna put the flowers on, and I hope it looks cute. If it does, I'll post this on the Dollar Tree Instagram. I think that'd be fun. So I got all of that from the Dollar Tree. I guess we'll move on to CVS because I got some makeup there. I'm so excited. I haven't really purchased makeup in a while. I I love makeup, but I'm really focusing on what I have. So this was for my mom. This is kind of why this whole trip started. I was like, oh, I'll get you that wreath and kind of make it, and then I'll also repurchase this for her because she was at work and I had nothing to do today, so I just decided to do it. I don't know. Daughter goals, maybe. I don't know. I'm a shopaholic, so it was really not an inconvenient thing for me. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream Anti-Fatigue. It's in the shade A18. She said that she really likes this, so yeah, she just wanted me to repurchase it for her. And she has darker skin than me, so this shade actually matches her compared to me where it would be like a mask. So got that. Also, I'm thinking this week I want to film a like my mom's makeup tutorial or whatever that's called, because my mom and I have like completely different skin tones. It would be so iconic, honestly. So want to do that really bad. Okay, so these we're gonna call them impromptu purchases. We're gonna call them Brooke just needs to stop purchases. Okay, so L'Oreal was buy one get one 50, or you buy one, it was like buy one get one, like $5 extra. There was some kind of deal. So I got the L'Oreal True Match powder in the shade, I think it was like C1, yeah, Alabaster. And normally whenever I buy things from any kind of brand that has like warm, neutral, or cool undertones, I always go for the neutral. But I've been realizing that my makeup, I'm always like, it's so dark, why does my makeup look so dark? And I don't think it's necessarily that it's too dark, it could be that too, but I think it's honestly the fact that I'm just choosing even like neutral undertones for me. I think it's still too warm for me. So I do like how my skin looks when it's a little bit more like golden, but warm out of the picture, I've never done that, it's too much. Neutral, I don't think I can really get by, so I decided to get this cool powder to put on top of my makeup in order to kind of make it a little bit less yellow looking, so I got that. And then Milani was buy one get 150, I think. So I got the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. I think this was like super expensive. It was 10 bucks, almost 11 bucks, so it was expensive, but I really do want to try a good setting spray for dewy skin because my skin is super dry / like normal, so that'd be really good for me. And then also I got the Prep and Set and Glow Illuminating Translucent or Transparent Powder. It's in the shade 2. I think the first shade is just a white, like kind of finely milled powder. I'm so excited for this. It almost kind of reminds me of Wet n Wild Reserve Your Cabana, so we'll see how this works. I'm excited about it. And then lastly, I have Marshalls. So from Marshalls, I got my mom this hairspray. She also wanted me to pick her up a hairspray when I was out. So I got her the Chi Enviro 54 Hairspray Firm Hold, and it was $10.99. Nice little hairspray here. She just wanted like a higher end hairspray. So I saw this and I was like, perfect. I heard Chi is really great. Also, I saw this, you guys. Now, tell me if I'm just so dumb and like I'm missing the point of why this was so cheap. But this was literally not on sale. Like this was just the price at Marshall's. It was $3.99 and it comes with 9 masks, right? Yeah, it comes with 9 masks. I don't get why it has a coconut oil, a green tea, and a vitamin C. They're all sheet masks. Like I even checked when I got home, like all of these are just like sheet mask packs, and I'm so confused why it was so cheap for this. I was walking around and I had a $20 coupon to spend, so I was like, what should I get? You know, what am I looking for? And I saw this and I was like, it's literally $4 for 9 face masks. Done. And then also for $3.99, like literally for $3.99 I got 9 face masks and then I got a pair of eyelashes. Like, that doesn't equal anything. I don't see how that's possible, but these are the Ardell Double Ups 203 Black Lashes. I honestly was at CVS and I wanted to buy some just like nice Ardell lashes. I love these ones with a thicker band. I'm realizing I actually like thicker band lashes. I used to like more of a flimsier band, like really thin bands from cheap brands, but I'm realizing it's a little bit thicker, like how Ardell does some of these thicker band lashes. I actually kind of prefer it because they stay down, they don't pop up all the time. I had no idea like that would be a thing, but it totally is. So I really am excited to try these. I don't think I've had these ones before, but I've had like the 207s, which are similar, but a little bit less wispy. I think these ones are more wispy, so that was my haul, you guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. That would mean so much to me. I'm gonna go try to make this wreath right now. Maybe I will film it. Maybe? I don't really know. I don't know what I'm doing, but maybe I'll film it. I don't know. So we're just gonna end out this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like these really casual videos where I'm not in front of my big setup, it's literally just my room, but you know, it takes a while to set all the lights and the tripod and, you know, clean that little area and make everything look perfect. Do you like more videos where they're just really chill, just not really caring almost, but like I do care, but like this just feels so natural and like genuine. Let me know if you like these more, or if you like them more like backdrop and everything videos. I could maybe do a little bit of both, whatever you feel. So thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and all that jazz. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I know I was wearing this for the whole outro. Fight me. I love how the visor of my hat supports this. Cheers. Let me love you till you feel